Here we are unboxing the Optoma ZH406STx short throw projector. To begin, when purchasing a brand new Optoma projector, there should be a C of authentication. This ensures the unit has been sealed by Optoma. Included in the box are the following items: Optoma Technology ZH406STx projector, remote control with batteries, AC power cable, manufacturer warranty. The ZH406STx is a compact short throw Full HD 1080p 4200 lumens laser projector. Designed for virtually maintenance-free, continuous operation, it can be installed in almost any orientation. Feature-packed, this compact laser projector has built-in speakers, is 4K and HDR compatible, and is low maintenance with extremely long-life laser technology. For ultimate control, the projector comes with RJ45 connection, allowing you to monitor and control your network in multiple rooms. Perfect for business, education, and museums and golf simulators where a clear, bright image is required. For more information or to purchase, visit OfficeWonderland.com, your Optoma authorized dealer.